Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today in this topic of Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what is given in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that consider triangle ACB right angled at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units and angle ABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of number 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta, then number 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution.
So guys, as per this question, they are telling that there is a right angle triangle ACB right angled at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units and angle ABC is equal to theta. And then we need to determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta, then cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay guys, so let us first note down what are the things they have given, then it will be very easy for us to move ahead. So as per the question, they have given ACB is a right angle triangle, which I have already drawn, and they are telling that right angle at C. So what I will do, that they are telling that this is right angle at C, then let me name this one as C and this one is B. So this condition also satisfied, right angle at C. Now what they are telling, like AB is equal to 29 units. So this AB, this hypotenuse is 29, and again they have also given BC is equal to 21 units. This base is 21 units. Okay guys, so with this in hand, let us first of all determine that AC. We don't know the AC or this perpendicular value, so let us first of all determine this perpendicular value, then it will be easy to move ahead with our question. So guys, applying the Pythagoras theorem, I can write AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Okay, now guys, AC is missing, so what I can write, AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. Okay, or I can write AC square is equal to AB square, I can write AC is equal to AB square minus BC square root over. Okay, now we know the values of AB square. AB values is 29, so I can write this one is 29 square minus BC 21 square. Okay guys, I believe till here we are pretty very much clear what we are going to do. So let's say this one is 29 square minus 21 square, and we very well know, like, just if we let me solve this equation first. AC is equal to 29 square, so 29 square means 29 into 29. If we multiply, we are getting 841. Similarly, 21 into 21, if we multiply 21 into 21, we are getting 441. Okay, so that is equal to 841 minus 441 is nothing but 400. Okay, so guys, 400 root over, or that is, or AC I can write AC is equal to 20. So guys, you could see that we are able to extract the value of AC as 20. Okay, now with these things in hand, let us move ahead to find out the first point, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so our first point is finding out cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, and guys, one thing also I forgot to tell you, like there in the question they have given, like angle ABC is equal to theta. Angle ABC is equal to theta, that means this angle is theta. Okay, so we are going to find out cos square theta plus sin square theta keeping in view of this angle B. Okay, now what is cos theta? We know that cos theta, looking at that right angle triangle that we have drawn here, what is cos theta? Cos theta, we very well know that angle adjacent to side of this main angle, like BC divided by hypotenuse. BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. Or I can write that one is 21 divided upon 29. Okay, so we got the value of cos theta as 21 upon 29, and let us also derive the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to angle side opposite to angle theta, that is AC, upon AB, hypotenuse, that is equal to 20 divided by 29. Okay, so these are the two things that we got for cos theta and sin theta. Now let us replace these values in our given question. In our question it is given that cos square theta plus sin square theta. So instead of cos square theta, I can write 21 square by, or I can write like this, because we got cos theta as 21 by 29. So let me write it like this: 21 by 29 square plus 20 by 29 square. Okay guys, so what I did, just I replaced the values of instead of cos square theta, I replaced the values of cos theta 21 by 29 and I squared it because it is cos square theta. Similarly, replacing the value of sin theta and squaring it, I got 20 by 29 square. Now 21 square. So guys, we have already seen that 21 square is nothing but 441 we got. So I can write 441 divided upon 29 square. 29 square we got 841, if you remember, minus 20 square. 20 square is 400 divided by 841, or I can write that is equal to 441 minus 400, which is nothing but sorry, this is not minus guys, this is plus. So 441 plus 400, 41 plus 400 divided by 841, because our denominator is same, so LCM is 841, or I can write this one as 841 upon 841, that is equal to 1. So guys, we are able to find out the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Now let us move ahead and see what exactly we will be getting for the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now let us find out the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. So as per the equation 2, we need to find out cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now cos theta we got 21 by 29 whole square, minus sin theta we got 20 by 29, so that is 20 by 29 whole square. That okay, that is equal to, I can write 21 whole square, or directly I can write 21 whole square is 441 divided by 841, which is nothing but 29 whole square, minus 400. 20 whole square is 400, or 20 square is 400 by 841. So that is equal to 441 minus 400 divided by, okay, 841. Now 441 minus 400, which is, that is equal to 41 by 841. So guys, we are able to find this value cos square theta minus sin square theta is 41 by 841. So this is our answer. Sorry, I can write here this is equal to 41 by 841. That's all, guys. I believe you are able to understand this calculation. This calculation is very easy. Just what we did, we just considered whatever is given in the question. Then we applied Pythagoras theorem to find out this missing side AC, and after that we are able to derive cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but base into hypotenuse, which is nothing but 21 by 29, and base is like, it is the corresponding base like of this angle theta. So keeping this angle theta in view, we are calculating these things. Similarly, sin theta is the angle opposite to this angle, side opposite to this angle theta. For that reason, we considered AC by AB, which is nothing but 20 by 29. Then just we, as the question is cos square theta, so just we squared these figures that we got and we found out our calculations. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation or this process is very easy. But still, if you have questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.